So I'm just going to, above this layer, just making a gradient. I can even use this color. Just take the eyedrop tool, click X, get a couple of these colors that are light, take the gradient, and just shift key it across to give you that piece, or go the opposite direction to match what they have. And then taking the text tool and put this on top. And that gives you that selection. So this coloring, I want to make it black, so I'm just going to switch it to black with Option Shift Delete, and then free transform this just to make it a little bit bigger. And maybe make that top like that. So there it is, pretty easily placed down there. Okay, and when you take a look at the pieces, there's the text, and here's this layer style. So by double clicking on this, you can take a look at the FX at the bottom. So you can either double click the layer or click down at FX at the bottom to show both locations for you. For this gloss, they have it. Now keep in mind, their resolution will be a little different than what you have, so you can follow their numbers. Just type it in or use the scroll bar to get it across. And the size of this is just going to give you a couple attributes here. Down below the gloss contour, right now it's just 45 degrees to the right. You can double click on this to get some of this effect that'll show almost like the chrome. Okay, and then the other two is the contour and the global lighting. So I just want to show you where that is. So here's the bevel and emboss, and the global light is right here. So when you turn this off, it only affects the section that you have highlighted. So I'm just going to put it at 53 and click OK. And so that's what it looks like, and they even say it's not the greatest image, but there's what they have. And then all they're doing is taking and removing this font. So here's the layer, double clicking on it. The tricky part is locating this. Here's the bevel and emboss, and you can take a look, but here they're on the blending options. So up at the top it shows the advanced blending. There's other options that are here too, but we'll get into those later. So when you drop this down, it makes it a transparent piece showing through the background color. And that gives you that overall gloss look to have that piece there. So there it is without the background, and there it is with the background. So it's just a matter of showing that section through it all the way through. Okay, that's just right on this blending options right here. So it's pretty quick, not too difficult.